Hi, that was me having fun with Big Bill's Hey Hey or Guitar Shuffle. There are 2 or 3 examples of this on the web, and some of them are a little bit fast, but the one that I've shown on the beginning of this video, it's almost uncanny how his thumb sweeps across the strings. A little bit delayed, it's not quite on the beat, and it produces a... Let's take a look at the chords we're going to use with Big Bill Broom's Hey Hey or Guitar Shuffle. We're going to use B7 with a bar. We use A7 with the bar on the 2nd fret, which we can easily turn into A with our little finger again. We use an ordinary E chord. When we start to look at the tablature, and you'll see my right and left hand in close-up, you'll see from the tablature that sometimes, for example, if I'm playing A, I may show the open A chord, A string, played, and the next string, which is fretted on the 2nd fret, and I'll show them hit together. You'll see my left hand in this way, and I'll be playing quite slowly, and the tablature will appear underneath my hand. The clip will be marked and numbered as introduction clip 1 or 2, etc., so you can find it easily when you're looking back through the video. When you see my left hand forming the chord shapes, the tablature will appear below, as for the right hand, like this. And a chord shape will appear in either the left or the right hand top corner. But bear in mind that not every movement of my left hand will be shown on the chord shapes. These are just to indicate the basic chord pattern you should be making.